Hello everyone, so this is Divyata and I am from India. Currently I'm pursuing my masters in business analytics and I stay here in Mount Charles, which is just 5 minutes away from the main campus. Join me as I take you throughout my day, starting at the gym, going to the class and running some errands. So let's just get started. So this is the checkout area. You just do this and just check out, and that's the gate. And my gym is done, and now I'm heading back home to a yummy breakfast. Thank you.
No worries.
So that's a beautiful view when I come out of the gym. So this is how green and amazing it looks. I mean, like, you can see a very nice atmosphere, and as you can see me, hey. Isn't it amazing? Such a good infrastructure it has. Now let's get going. We are getting late for the day. Let's get started. So now I have reached my beautiful accommodation. Just look at this beautiful place. Looks like the Autumn, yeah. And these are the amazing buildings of Mount Charles. Let me show you how my accommodation looks like. So here is my accommodation. So this is my key fob. This is the entry pass. And I'll just go back in. I made some smoothie for breakfast and now I'm done with my lunch, and I'm now going to have this amazing lunch, which is noodles. Now I'm going for some work, which is my post office work and my bank work. So I'm heading for a bus because I'm getting late and I don't want to get late. So yes, let's go. So it has started raining because you cannot predict when it rains and when it is sunny. But yes, you have to enjoy this weather, and it is a lovely weather though. You just have to get used to it. So now I'm going to Iceland to get some groceries because yes, why not? My shopping is done. Hi, so I am back from my group study, which was in the library, and I am so done with the studies for the day, and now I'm going to head for my dinner, which I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna have this dinner and I'll see you in a bit. So my day has come to an end and I'm here in my bed ready to sleep. What a tiring day and what a productive day. This is how my day looks like most of the time. You have to tell me how your day looks like in the comment section below. I will wait for your comments. So till then, see you. Bye bye.